Let's begin with another main topic of this course, which is teaching intensive reading to ESL or EFL students. What means by intensive reading? What are the complexities involved in teaching intensive reading in the classroom, or how we can design a course which incorporates the elements of intensive reading. So this is what we are going to discuss, how we can enhance intensive reading by including comprehension exercises, or these are the issues which we are going to explore throughout this main topic, intensive reading. So it has its significance for language learning, because it involves students read the text closely and in depth. That's important. Intensive reading means reading for specific purposes, reading for specific aims or tasks. So that's what it can be compared with extensive reading. Extensive reading, on the other hand, can be done for enjoyment, for leisure purposes, or for general reading purposes. So in the classroom, how we can develop intensive reading? There are various ways it can be developed through the use of various tasks and activities. For example, we can train our students how to skim a text for specific information to answer, or how to search for specific information in order to give answer. So there are, of course, various ways, and one of the ways is we can bring in some exercises or statements which are true and false. We can give the passage to students, which can be followed by statements which are, and we can ask them to identify which statement is true or which is false. So this will make them see the text closely, or in other words, see how language actually works. So there can be another exercise of filling in the gaps, or making them summarize what has already been said in the given text, or ask them to scan the text to match headings to paragraphs. And then we can include some activities in which scanning of the text can be carried out to put in order the jumbled paragraph, or the paragraphs which are in disorder, to bring order to those paragraphs. So that helps. Intensive reading, close reading of the text helps develop the knowledge of the linguistic features of the readers. And it not only helps develop the comprehension skills, to understand the main message of the given text, but also it develops the language skills or the strategies of reading. So there are, of course, various approaches by which we can develop intensive reading through communicative language teaching, or through direct method, or through grammar translation method. Grammar translation method is considered to be one of the classic approaches towards teaching intensive reading, because in this approach the teachers can translate the given text and clarify the message of the text, and ask students to determine what the language features that get most attention. So that's actually an introductory module to intensive reading, in which we have seen what it means, what its significance is, and this is what we will continue to explore in the main topic, intensive reading.